Kumusta guys? It's Shyman here, and today we're gonna talk about my supposedly new gaming mouse. I wasn't able to make a review of this because it is a large gaming mouse. I have a small size hand, about 16 centimeters from base to tip, and I use palm grip for general computer usage and gaming. This is the Rakk Talum gaming mouse. You can get this for only $25 or 1,295 pesos, and I will leave the links in the description if you want to check it out. I asked JB to review the Rakk Talum because the mouse was just too big for me. That being said, there's no such thing as perfect mouse, and the verdict usually depends on personal preferences. The box is nice and clean. Looking also inside the box, you can see the product specifications, and we have the mouse wrapped in a small plastic bag. Here's the mouse itself. It is a large mouse. It is an ambidextrous design, allow for left or right-handed use, and this mouse particularly works best for palm grip. Aesthetically speaking, the mouse has this aggressive design to it. There are 6 fully configurable buttons in total. Left and right buttons, mouse 3, DPI button, 2 side buttons, and here's the Rakk logo. All the buttons are equally light except for the middle button that is really hard to press in. The left and the right buttons, which are arm-on switches, are light and easy to click, although they don't have a quick snap to them. They are also quieter than other mice, which I prefer. The middle button, or the mouse 3, is rubberized, and scrolling up and down has a noticeable steps, but there's a weird noise when scrolling down. The DPI button is good. The side buttons feels good too. It doesn't have this plastic feel to it. However, there's a huge gap that you can really see what's inside. For the build quality when tapping it, it is pretty solid. There's no rattle, but when shaking it, the scroll wheel rattles. It's the only part that's loose. For anyone out there who has a Rakk Talum, I'd really like to know if this is just my mouse. The texture is smooth and are all plastic. I really like the metallic accent and black color combination. The interchangeable Teflon or metal feet is okay. The Teflon is thin and not high quality. I don't really prefer metal feet, but on this one, they are better. Honestly, I prefer high quality Teflon skates than having this kind of feature. The cable is not braided, but it is fairly thick and smooth and very flexible, about 1.6 meters long. And it fits easily into a regular mouse bungee. Again, it is designed for palm grip, but it was comfortable for me to claw grip it as well. For fingertip, it depends on your hand size. If you place your fingers here, the position is a bit awkward. There is no place for your pinky to rest, which is very hard for me to explain. And also, this section here should be kept flatted in my opinion. The grip width is about 5.5 centimeters, and the base length is about 12.5 centimeters, and the height is 4.1 centimeters. It has a 3-5 grams adjustable weights if you prefer a lighter mouse, and it weighs about 110 grams without them. The Pixar 3330 is a top sensor and great for competitive gaming. I have tested them for a few weeks and I had no issues in-game. I didn't experience any delays or whatsoever. The lift-off distance is pretty low. It is great for low sensitivity gamers that constantly lifting the mouse off the pad, like myself. The mouse features RGB lighting around it, on the Rakk logo, and on the scroll wheel. You can customize the effect using the Rakk Talum Fine Tuner software. You can also change the brightness level and speed of the effect or just turn it off. Although the color accuracy might not be the best, but still I think you can get a really nice color. You can remap any button to any of these options and have the polling rate of 1000 Hz. You can also adjust the DPI from 100 to 7200 in increments of 100. All of these settings along with your lighting effects can be assigned to one of these 5 user profiles. Including the macro, it records keyboard function, which is great for gaming. Overall, the settings are easy to adjust. The UI has a very simple presentation. To conclude, despite its size, the Rakk Talum is a very good mouse. As long as you're comfortable with the weight, it should be a good choice. If you are in competitive gaming like CSGO and Overwatch, and you're looking for a Rakk gaming mouse, this may be your best bet at the moment, especially for such a low price. The sensor performance is excellent, solid build, and nice RGB lighting, but the design could be improved for better aiming and comfort. And they need to improve the side buttons, like really. The sides where your thumb and fingers rest are just flat, and also there's no curve or ledge so you can easily pick or lift the mouse, especially for fingertip grip. Just a personal preference though, it is still good. I enjoyed gaming with it and I actually played quite well. And in my opinion, features aside, the best gaming mouse is the one that feels comfortable in your hand. That's about it for this review. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps me out. And if you want to help more and support the channel, please use my links in the description. It won't cost you extra and it will help me make more videos for you guys. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook just for fun. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, God bless.